Alright, welcome back everybody to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about the Dewalt charger and these Dewalt batteries for the 20 volt and the 60 volt varieties. And one of the issues that I've been having lately is that I just bought this, and when you plug in the batteries, for whatever reason, all these brand new batteries only blink a couple times and then say they're charged when you put them on the charger. And if you look on here, it's only got one light on the battery, the indicator that you just press this button to see. There's only one, so obviously it still needs to charge. And that's because what they don't tell you in the book is when the light lights up, like every other charger you've ever had, that doesn't mean it's doing its job yet. You've actually got to press and click this on all the way in order to get it to properly recognize. And when I first bought this, there was actually 2 clicks, so make sure you jam this battery, both the 60 volt and the 20 volt, as hard as you can onto this so it clicks, and then it starts blinking that it's charging.